Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting kitchen gadget that promises to elevate your blending experience, the Aeitto 1800W Professional Smoothie Maker. We've linked this product in the description below, so you can easily check out the latest price and availability. The Aeitto Blender is a powerful countertop appliance designed to tackle a variety of tasks, from whipping up smoothies and soups to making nut butters, all in just seconds. With a robust 1800W peak power, this blender is built for high performance, ensuring you spend less time waiting and more time enjoying your delicious creations while preserving the nutrients in your ingredients. One of the standout features of the Aeitto Blender is its impressive 68-ounce BPA-free jar. This large capacity allows you to prepare up to 6 cups in a single batch, making it perfect for family meals or entertaining guests. However, it's also suitable for personal use, whether you're whipping up a quick breakfast smoothie or crafting refreshing beverages for a hot day. The BPA-free material ensures that your health is a priority while you blend away. The Aeitto Blender is equipped with a smart control system featuring 3 preset programs and 7 adjustable speeds. This means you can blend smoothies, juices, and even crushed ice at the touch of a button. The 7 speeds give you the flexibility to switch between different textures easily, allowing you to experiment with diverse flavors and culinary ideas. Whether you're a smoothie enthusiast, a health-conscious chef, or someone who enjoys experimenting in the kitchen, this blender empowers you to do it all with ease. One of the biggest conveniences of the Aeitto Blender is its auto-clean feature. Cleaning up can often feel like a chore, but with the one-touch self-cleaning mode, you simply add water and a bit of detergent, and let the blender do the work for you in just 30 seconds. Plus, all detachable parts, except for the motor base, are dishwasher safe, making post-blending cleanup worry-free and straightforward. This ensures that you can maintain hygiene and cleanliness with every use, so you can focus more on cooking and less on cleaning. Lastly, the Aeitto Blender comes with an LED display panel that provides real-time monitoring of speed, time, and program status. This user-friendly interface makes it easy to control your blending process, ensuring you achieve optimal results every time you use the blender. In summary, the Aeitto 1800W Professional Smoothie Maker is a versatile kitchen tool suitable for anyone from busy families to health enthusiasts or culinary adventurers. Its powerful motor, large capacity, intuitive controls, and easy cleaning make it a standout choice for anyone looking to enhance their blending experience. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.